This 2020 Airstream Basecamp 16X is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 16 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, leveling jacks, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, skylight, water heater, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Airstream Basecamp 16X is 2,635 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.